Welcome back to all of you. We were discussing density property of rational numbers. We already discussed method 1. I'm going to give you an easier method to find more rational numbers between two rational numbers. What is density property of rational number? If I consider any two rational number, I can find infinitely many rational numbers between them. Okay. The same the strategy is. Suppose I have two rational number a by b and c by d. Step number 1, make its denominator c. In a rational number, in a fraction, if I multiply same number in numerator as well as denominator, the number will not change. Using that strategy, make the denominator same first. Then multiply the numerator and denominator by same number. Can be any number, usually 10, 100,000, depending upon situation. In both case, by doing that, we can simply find so many rational numbers between them. Okay, with a proper example only you will understand. Don't worry, bear with me. Suppose the question is find three rational numbers. Okay, why three? Find 10 rational numbers between 1 by 2, comma 1 by 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 3 both are nearer, but still doesn't matter how much near it is between them. There are infinitely many rational numbers. Bear with me. The strategy is step number 1. Make the denominator same. First number is 1 by 2. Second number is 1 by 3. In order to make the denominator same, I have to multiply with another number 2 and 3. Least common multiple for 2 and 3 6. So I'm going to make both the denominator into 6. Okay. In order to make 2 into 6, I have to multiply 3. But in a fraction, if I am multiplying 3 in denominator, I should multiply the same 3 in numerator, otherwise the number will change. 1 by 2 and 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. 2 by 4, both of them are same. When same number is multiplying numerator as well as denominator, the number won't change. Okay. Now, according to that, 1 by 2 I can convert by multiplying 3 in numerator as well as denominator. 1 by 3 I can multiply. Okay, 3 in order to be 6, I have to multiply 2. The same 2 I will multiply in numerator. Now what? 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Second number is 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. So this numbers 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is same as 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. And definitely 2 by 6 is less than 3 by 6. Since the denominator is same, numerator, whatever the numerator is bigger, that will be bigger. Now, are we done? Not exactly. My aim is to find a 10 rational numbers between them. Next step number 2. Not a big deal. It's pretty simple. 2 by 6 less than 3 by 6. I know that. I found that. Multiply same number in numerator as well as denominator. For example, I'm multiplying 10 in numerator as well as denominator. Multiplying 10 here and here. Not a problem. It's multiplying same number in numerator as denominator. Number won't change. Here also I am doing the same. Same 10 I am multiplying numerator as well as denominator. 2 into 10, 20. 6 into 10, 60. 20 by 60 is less than 30 by 60. Probably you got the strategy. Now, how can I find rational numbers between these two? How can I find rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3? It's same as 20 by 60 and 30 by 60. Simple. 20 by 60 less than 21 by 60 less than 22 by 60 less than 23 by 60 less than, and I can do this until 29 by 60 less than 30 by 60. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 rational numbers between 20 by 60 and 3 by 60, 30 by 60. That means 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. This is the fastest strategy, right? Instead of 10, if I multiply 100, I should have get 99 more. If I multiply 1000, I should have get 9999. I can multiply any number here. That many rational numbers I will get between them. Hope it is clear. If it is not clear, I will discuss one more problem. Find 7 rational numbers between 1 by 6 and 5 by 21. Step number 1, make the denominator see 1 by 6, 5 by 21. What is the least common multiple of 6 and 21? Okay. 21 into 2 is 42. Is that 42 a multiple of 6? Yes, 40 is 42 a multiple of 6. So I want to make both into 42. Okay. How can I do that? 6, in order to make it into 42, I have to multiply 7. The same 7 in multiply numerator. 21 I should multiply 2. The same 2 in multiply numerator. So 1 into 7, 7. 6 into 7, 42. 5 into 2, 10. 21 into 2 is 42 by 10. I got 7 by 42, which is less than 10 by 42. Now what? Now what? I need 7 rational numbers between them. Okay, I'm making it simpler and cooler. I don't want 7, but I'm going to find a more than like a 80 rationals between them. How? Multiply same number. Step number 2, multiply same number in numerator as well as denominator. 7 by 42 and 10 by 42. Multiply 100 in numerator as well as denominator. As I said, any number is fine. 7 into 100, 700 divided by 4200 is less than 1000 divided by 4200. Can you find 7 rational numbers between them? Pretty easy. 700 divided by 4200 is less than 701 divided by 4200, which is less than 702 divided by 4200 is less than 703 divided by 4200. I can do this until we have lost 1000 divided by 4200. They only asked 7. I got more than 100. So more 300, I already got it. That's a flex, right? Okay, hope you understood the strategy. Well, rest. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you all.